everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a project share for Craspire, and they have these wax seals, and these are some of the images that I got on this last unboxing. And it came with, this was a set, it came with these two stamps, it came with the little spoon, it came with these wax beads that you put in your burner. This wax burner was a different set from my last unboxing. Awesome to have, and it has a wider spoon. This one's a smaller spoon. And it also has two tea lights. I am using one right here and then the other one here. So this is a complete set, as well as it comes with these. It does not come with this one. This was a different set by itself, but all this right here is a whole one set right here with the tea lights. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you what I created. I created so far these seals, and I'm still trying to get the hang on the configuration for it to come a little bit more with the round edge right here. This is the other one, and this is the other one. So this one was a mixture of my previous project share, and I just went ahead and did these. The last two I made, this is a darker blue, and this came out a little bit more of a aqua color. And the image down here, I believe it's like an under the sea image. So there you go. I believe these are the waves, the ocean waves, and this is like the inner Atlantis kind of image, and there you go. And these are the wax seals. So on this one I did use about 2 to 3 of the dark blue. This dark blue, no, actually it was this one, I apologize, it was this one. And for this one I ended up using a combination of this one and I believe it was this one. So I did use a combination. So let me go ahead and put a few more in here. Let's do purple, and let's do this light purple, like a light purple. It looks like a whitish purple. There's still some blue in there, so I want to see what it looks like. So I have, while burning that, let me move this out of the way. I am using this, what is it called? Parchment or parchment paper. It's for cookies. And then I'm using the wax. I have not used the wax paper yet, but I want to try it out and see how that works. So this is awesome to have if you don't have anything like on the bottom for protection or anything. This is my silicone mat, and there you go. So let's go ahead and see. I'm still waiting for this to burn down a little bit more. And what I'm gonna do, I have these little banners, and I actually want to do some sealants on it, but I want to actually do it by themselves like this, so then when I am ready to put them on here, that's the way it's gonna look. So let's go ahead and see. And then I have this tool. This is a tool that I have, so I'm gonna use it to mix this in here. Oh, look at the color, you guys. I don't know if you guys could see that. So there you go. And as you guys know, I like to have my little paper towel so I could clean it off right away. And there you're gonna have a clean tool. And there you go. So let's go ahead and use the ocean one again, or the Atlantis one. I call it the Atlantis one. So let's try the wax paper and see how that works. And I'm a little afraid. Let me see. Hopefully it doesn't stick. Hopefully it doesn't melt it. And as you guys can see, I am just pouring that on here. And I did put two, how much did I put? Oh my gosh, I put 2 or 3, and I had already some wax in there. Clean it off. And then let's go ahead and do the sealant. And hopefully this one comes out good. Might be that I always get so nervous putting it in there. I don't know why. So it could be that I'm not putting it in the middle as I should be. And let me move this out there and let me go ahead let's go ahead and do more. Let me do this one. You know what? Let's go lighter. Let's go this one. This one. Let's try starting go lighter instead of continuing darker while we're waiting for this. And it looks like it did work. Let me see if I could pull this out. Seems like it melted all the way in. Yeah, it looks like it melted through it. So I would say use the I want to say Parmesan. It's a you guys, if you guys cook or you guys in the kitchen, you guys know what it is called. Also, I will probably title it down here somewhere on the bottom. But they also sell that at the Dollar Tree. So if you go in Dollar Tree, I've seen it at Dollar Tree. I've bought it at Dollar Tree. So yeah. So let's go ahead and mix this in here and see what color we start getting. Uh-oh. Oh, I think I went in too early. So yeah, look at what I did. So I kind of melted them together and they're kind of stuck on my little spoon now. So let's go ahead and mix. There you go. So that comes like a little lighter. And I actually found this too at Amazon. Was it at Amazon? No. It was at Michael's website. Let me put that on the side and let's go ahead and do the, let me see, best wishes, and let me go ahead and see. And it is a little shimmery, so awesome, awesome, awesome. Let me see if I can use this too to scrape some of that stuff from in there. It looks like it's working pretty good. Maybe not. Put that in there, put this in here. As you guys know, I like to clean my tools so I don't get all that smoke on the bottom, because your spoon can get a lot of smoke on the bottom. And let's go ahead and see. Hopefully I aim it right, and looks like I did. And so this one, you guys, as you guys could see right here, all my wax paper stuck to it, so probably not a best idea to do. And this is the image right here, and all you do is color it in with your marker, which I will be doing. And while we're waiting, let's go ahead and try another combination. That one. Let's do another lighter brown. Let's do that one. So make sure it's, sorry you guys, I'm a little off camera. Then move that one and we could color this in. So you basically, you go sideways, you color it in. Oh, look at how beautiful, you guys. I go sideways. And here is the image once again. Now let's hope we could pull it out of the wax paper. This is what it looks like. Let me see. This is going to be a little harder to pull out of the wax, so just, yeah, do not use wax paper. This was my first attempt doing the wax paper. Oh, you got to let this dry before you touch it, because other than that, you're going to have this mistake that I just did. But look at you guys. Easy fix. There you go. go. So I will link all the items down on the description below so you guys could go over, check them out. Let me see. Let me see this one. Hopefully this one came out okay. And see how this one didn't stick? You were able to pull it out. Didn't stick like the wax. This one's still a little wet, but it came out a little bit better. And there you go. Oh my gosh, I love that color. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to go ahead and actually place these in here. So I have these right here, these right here, these right here, and I'm going to use my glue gun. So let's go ahead and do another best wishes. And let me, where did I put this little thing? Here you go. And I have my bottle of water just in case something catches on fire, because you guys, I am so clumsy. So this is pretty well melted. Sorry. Let's go ahead and drain this in here. Spill it in there. And this one's a little lighter. And that's gotta be, I should have put more wax seals in there. So maybe four, it seems like 4 is the best. I did not put enough here. I just did not put enough. There you go. I'm gonna put this to the side. I'll just put it on there for now. And let me go ahead and move this around a little bit. Hopefully it helps. As you guys know, last time I did this a little bit and it did help. And let's see. This was my best wishes. There you go. Let's turn that off before. Put that in there. Clean this off. Might need clean it off. Just make sure you're cleaning everything off as you go, because then it's gonna stick, all your wax is gonna stick and you're gonna have a hard time cleaning it off. This is probably the best time if you need to clean the inside wax or the inside wax, clean it off and all that stuff. It's probably the best time to do that at this time, which I will do because I want to use my other colors and I don't want to have any blue residue in here. So that's my suggestion. Do it when it's hot. As you guys can see, it is well cleaned. Don't physically touch this with your fingers because it is hot. So there you go. There you go. So there's still some wax residue in here, which is okay, as long as not all the colors on in there, which is cool. It's awesome to have the extra one. I did not use this one that came with the set because this one, I thought it was really small compared to this one. You guys, look at this. Is like fits totally in here. So that was my own personal preference. This one you could fit maybe 2 of the wax, maybe 3, but then you were gonna have it on the top, and when you put it on here, it kind of dangles down here. Even though it has a hold, I was always afraid it was going to go like this. Nothing against this. It's awesome. Always awesome to have an extra one. You can always put a little bit and use it for other projects. So just my own personal preference. So let's go ahead and see. I'm heating up my gun, my glue gun. This seems like it's about done. So I wanted to put these. Let's see, these are dry. That one was still wet. So I am going to put a small drop of glue here. I haven't tried this. This is the first time I'm doing this. So hopefully it works. Let's cross our fingers. I'm going to put this one in here. So awesome to have. There you go. And what I did, I had some thread, and then I just did the threading on the bottom. Let me just do that right now. Let me show you how I did that. I have some thread here, some gold thread. Let me see. And let me see. So I have this thread. You basically do a little few rounds, make it like a little bow, and then you get your other one. You put the thread in there, and while you're still kind of waiting because it's still hot, you put this one on here. So there you go. It is done, and that's what it looks like. There you go. That's 2. And then I have 2 more to go. And I will do same thing. Let me see. Just a few times around your fingers. Cut it off. Make it, twist it to like a little bow. Put a dad, or more than a little dad, in there. And your glue is going to be hot, so be careful with your fingers. And then you could put this one in here, and it should be able to stick. And there you go. And then let's go ahead and see if this one's done. Oh, that's pretty, you guys. Look at it. That's pretty. So pretty. I think I'm going to use this one instead. And then I am going to color that towards the end because I'm going to be doing this and I don't want to smear all the paint or all the color in it. So there you go. There you go. And I will link all the items down under the description below so you guys could go over there and check out Craspire. They also have an additional coupon off. Kathy5, $5 off any $40 purchase. And I believe for them, if you do a certain amount of purchase, can't remember at this time, you get free shipping. I think I want to say, well, I don't know. Probably will link that down on the description below. And there you go. And now all I am going to do on this one is color it as well. And this one I'm not going to touch it until, because it takes a while for it to dry off. My mistake with the other one was that I touched it right away. And that's why. The star, the star, the star. And there you go. So like you see, this one's one I made a few days ago, and you touch it and nothing bleeds or anything. This one was also one that I made a few days ago. There you go. And this one was the one I just made, and of course I touched it and that was my fault. So anyways, thank you everybody for checking this project share out. Hopefully it helped you a bit. Don't use wax paper. It's not gonna work. Use I'll link it on the description below so you guys can watch. Anyways, thank you for taking the time, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.